1. Ebullient, adjective. Definition: full of enthusiasm and energy, high-spirited. Synonyms: agitated, buoyant, elated, exhilarated, exuberant, frothy. Antonyms: apathetic, disinterested. Example sentences: 1. The ebullient crowd cheered loudly as their favorite team won the championship. 2. Her ebullient personality makes her the life of every party. 2. Eclectic, adjective. Definition: selecting the best from various styles, methods, or ideas, broad and comprehensive. Antonyms: specific, unvaried. Notes: eclectic means choosing from different sources, while esoteric refers to something understood by only a small knowledgeable group. Example sentences: 1. His eclectic taste in music ranges from classical symphonies to modern jazz. 2. The restaurant offers an eclectic menu that includes Italian, Chinese, and Mexican dishes. 3. Ecstatic, adjective. Definition: overwhelmed with joy or bliss, extremely happy. Synonyms: beatific, delirious, elated, euphoric. Antonyms: despaired, sorrowful, tormented. Example sentences: 1. She was ecstatic when she received the news of her promotion. 2. The children were ecstatic to see snow for the first time. 4. Edict, noun. Definition: a formal or authoritative order, decree, or proclamation. Synonyms: canon, decree, dictate, enactment, manifesto, precept. Notes: an edict is a formal statement or law issued by an authority. An addict is a person dependent on a substance or someone devoted to a particular activity. Example sentences: 1. The king issued an edict banning all foreign imports. 2. The government's edict on environmental regulations was met with public support. 5. Efface, verb. Definition: to erase or remove completely. Synonyms: delete, eliminate, expunge, obliterate. Example sentences: 1. Time had effaced all traces of the ancient civilization. 2. She tried to efface the painful memories of her past. 6. Effervescent, adjective. Definition: bubbling, fizzing, or foaming, full of life and excitement. Synonyms: expansive, fermenting, frothing, resilient. Antonyms: flat, stale. Example sentences: 1. The effervescent drink sparkled in the sunlight. 2. His effervescent personality made him a favorite among his peers.